Hi guys, I'm here in Babu Santa, Talikod Island, and I have a book here from from the office, and then I'll be reading some messages of my friends and office mates nung birthday ko. Like they wrote something on this book or ledger, and I have to read the messages and I have to reply or give feedback to the person who gave me the message. So let's hear what messages they have for me, and let's see what we have. So to start with, all right, I'll be reading the first message from 4D. Alright, it says here, hi SA, for a short period of time, nagsama at nagkakilala tayo, kay grabe, parang 1 year na agad. First of all, nag-promise ka sa akin na mag-TL ka. And yes, pinapanagutan mo na talaga. I'm so proud of you, SA. You're so good and very kind to us. Basig dili, charot. Pero hope SA na sa pag-TL mo kay it will help you move on. Sana mabaling yung attention mo sa team mo lang. Wala na sa kanya. Basta by proud ako sa'yo. Love kita, bodyguard mo. No one can touch you. Us lang dapat. Kami ra nay karapatan manakit nimo. I love you. Cynthia, Japon. Hihihi. Mo. So that was from 4D. So this person, no, since the day that I saw him, like he's kind of a kanang individual ba na kanang dili siya kanang head turner ba, no, kanang his dark, tall, so lang siya. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, dahil yun nga kursunada niya si Tia Cynthia, nakilala ko siya, mabait, sweet, and sobrang matulungin na bata. So magaling mag-basketball din, so keep it up. And I know mas marami ka pang mga pangarap sa buhay. Just go lang ng go. Ma-achieve mo din yan. Siyempre nandito lang kami sa payag, kasama mo to help you grow. And siyempre ma-motivate ka din. Bukod sa amin, nandyan din si TL Cynthia. Well, thank you for the message. And hopefully next year, nandito pa rin yung mga tao na nagme-message sa akin, no? Saka na doon, 4D. Thanks! So next naman, wait lang. Iuhuli ko to dahil siya ang special someone. It's my leader. So, stay put ka lang dyan muna, TL Cynthia, ha? So this person naman muna tayo, si Nasra. Nash Mama. So this person is actually one of the best or top agent entire PayPal. So I need to read this. SA, I wish you a happy birthday. Here's to another year of wisdom and and more kabigaan for 3 days ahead of you. Love you. PS, ako lang diri na area. Murag mag high school. Ha. Well, thank you for that wonderful message, Nash. It's quite short but may laman siya. Lagi-lagi niyo naman sinasabi sa akin yan pagka may ibang lumalapit sa akin. Wag yan SA dahil 3 araw lang yan, mawawala din yan, ganun. So dili ko kabiga-biga. Yung kadare na more kabigaan dili, di ba? Syempre badlungon ko ninyo, binasita ko ninyo. Pero Nash is one of the best agent that I had. Like, grabe, ang bilis. Sang sabi mo lang, kakatch up agad. Tapos may mga, twist. Like, pag may sasabihin ka, ako pa yung minsan nako-correct dahil meron pa lang bagong updated details about the article. So yun. Thanks for thank you kasi we have you as our teammate. Like no questions about your request if you have soup calls, takeover, no questions if ikaw talaga yung nagpapa-soup call dahil yun na nga pag papakinggan na yung call mo, wala naman, hindi naman siya invalid. So yun, lagi-lagi na lang ikaw napaprayo. Well anyway, thank you for the message. And thanks sa 3 taon, like almost 4 years na tayo nagsama. Thank you. Alright, thanks Nash. Next. Oh my god. No names, yung iba. Next is from Sam Ralios, 2024. No matter how big your struggle is, remember that there is always a bigger way to solve it. Well, that's a that's a wide or a huge or big word, like struggle. Yeah, I know that we've shared a lot of things, like you and me, Sam, about struggles based sa araw-araw natin magsasama, like office, personal life, and we've talked about it and then also talk about on how to resolve those things. So yun, thank you Sam for always there. Like you're the coolest person that I had, or agent that I had. Like somehow alam mo naman na ilang buwan nakaraan struggle din ikaw sa love life mo. Pero I know na meron kang bago, and just keep it up. Makukuha mo rin yung gusto mo. Wag na yung mga dati pa. Hayaan mo na sila. Hindi na yun babalik. So let's move on na lang and be happy of what we have. So yun, thank you Sam. Next. Shoot, walang name. Karugtong pala to kay Sam. Fear is what makes you feel human. Danger makes you feel alive. Remember that opposites always makes you connected to the decision you make. Hindi ko alam kung but hinihiwalay. And next, no matter how many investments you'll make, you will gonna take it back at the end of the day. Return on investment, Demi. Hayop ka, Demi. Talagang yun yung message mo sa akin. It's not a return of investment because I never invested something. I let them borrow my things and I just take it back because I need it. That's it. Well, thank you for this short message. So, next, this one. Happy birthday. SA, don't get mad to us if may ma-hear kang negative comments from us about sa love life mo. You know now we're just protecting your heart because you don't deserve na masaktan. We love you SA. Huwag ka na mag-TL. Sama lang tayo dito hanggang dulo. Pinakamabait na agent. Kayselyn, I know that this is you. I remember this when I asked you to write. So, Case, well, let's talk about this love life, no? You know man na wala akong love life and walang kami nun. Ano lang yun, dagdag motivation lang in the meantime na, alam niyo na maraming admin task, mga requests, soup calls, takeovers. So, I need to do like some motivations ba to overcome my my stress. And eto, sa island, natatanggal yung stress ko. And with regards naman sa wag ako mag-TL, well, kailangan ko din kasi to like for my career growth. And hindi nyo din ako kailangan kasi ang gagaling nyo na. We've been together for almost 4 years. So, alam ko sa sarili ko na naibigay ko na lahat-lahat na dapat ituro sa inyo. Kayo ng mga original, like OG, Team Cynthia OG, lahat-lahat. Mas may alam pa nga kayo kasi kayo yung nagte-take ng calls. Ako, nag-a-assist lang ako sa inyo, nagte-take over, nagsusub calls, pero kayo lagi yung babad sa call eh. So, mas marami kayong alam. Yun, kailangan ko din kasing mag-grow, and I need to handle my own team soon. If ever I'll apply for it. But of course, kahit DL ako, you can still come to me and then ask questions. I'll be there naman eh, if I'm not busy. So, yun, thanks. And meron dito isa, baliktad. JP, it's you. Thank you for being the best kuya I had in my BPO career. For the ups and downs, you're always being the you person, me. Okay. I hope you can inspire more people that you met for every day. Stay what you are, and sana magbago ka na. Pangit kag love life. Hayop ka, JP. Well, doon banda yung pangit ako ng love life, totoo yun. Pero with regards sa love life, no, alam niyo naman na hindi naman talaga ako ganyan eh, kasi I'm focused on my career and my job as a subject matter expert, your support, supervisor, like yun. Ganun naman ang gawain ko eh. Kaya wala akong panahon sa love life. Pero kung meron, then why not, di ba? Tungkol naman dito sa best kuya, yeah. Oo naman, ako pinaka best kuya sa inyo tanandara. Kay nandyan ako lagi. Pag ting beats na SA, wala na akong budget, ganun. Hiram-huram muna, hiram ng konti, pangkain, ganun. Tapos the support that I gave you, the practices, the knowledge that I shared, yun, nakatatak na yun sa inyo. So, oo, i-share ko to sa iba, for sure. Tsaka yung mga na-learn ko from you guys as my agents, marami ako natutunan sa inyo na kailangan ko din i-apply sa bago kong agents sa susunod. Hopefully before mag 2025, like meron na akong career na, I mean promotions and a new team that I'll be handling. Anyway, next. Eto si Rhea, dearest SA, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you for saving me in terms of financial, love life problems, and so on. I truly appreciate everything you do for me, pero please lang ayaw ko i-link sa naayuyab. Well, Rhea, thank you po for kanang giving me this message, like helping you through like finance tsaka love life. Love life murag wala man kay duha man ta nailad ato nga time. Well, anyway, let's forget about those, like forget and forgive. What we had is just experience and lesson that we need to learn. Will not apply that one moving forward. And of course, ilink ka ato kay gwapo man to nga bata. Si letter J is gwapo siya para sa imuha. Bagay mo, gwapa ka, gwapo siya. So, kung kamo, di kamo. And if not, then bahala na sa Batman sa Rhea. Enjoy na lang sa Mati. And next, this is my new agent. Dearest SA, thank you po. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Good health and more power. Fly high butterfly, hayop. Rudy, ano ba naman itong budots kayo ang fly high butterfly? Well, Rudy, thank you so much for giving me this message. And I remember you when you were new on the campaign, on the account in PayPal. Like, grabe akong katawa kay kani siya nga agent, si Rudy. Pag mag-call na siya kay, katong nag-call na siya nga time kay kanang na-remember na ako, nag-sidebars ko sa iya ha. Tapos kani siya nga bata kay TikTokers mo gani siya, guys. Hilig siya mag-live, mag YouTube ug mag TikTok ana. So na-adapt niya to during nagka-call siya ana siya nga. Hi, thank you for patiently waiting. My name is Rudy, yada yada yada. How can I um how can I assist you for today's video? Ana sa dito. So for today's video, Jud Rudy, pati na akong katawa ato, like kanang mga bloopers ninyo ba nga newbie pa mo. Pero karon like murag tigulang naman ka sa account, adi kaayo pero you were learning like a big improvement on your scores, and especially sa mga bagong mga tasks na ginahatag sa inyo, like step by step improvement, and that's good. And next time the goal is to be what, regularize para para bongga. And then well, again, thank you for that, Rudy. Next would be eto, Cyril. Ariel na siya sa iyang tinod na pangalan, pero Cyril iyang gusto ipatawag siya. Hello SA Patutuya. Yawa. Sorry for the word. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you for the learnings and guiding us para makasurvive sa among journey as newbie. We love you, SA. Hopefully, maging happy ka sa next chapter ng buhay mo. We are so proud of you. Love you, Ariat. So yun, isa pod ka sa akong mga newbie na bagong na tudluan, no, kung unsa ang mga process, and I'm seeing you like moving up ba compared to before. Like you'll ask questions, Jude, before you throw to your customer, like before you give information, you want to make sure that it's the right information that you are providing to those customers, because ano ba, you're so keen and kanang dapat sure jud ba nga resolution kay ma-wrong na pod, correct? And I like the way how you talk to your customers, kay babae kayo kag tingog sa sa imuhang recording, and soft kaayo. Just make sure lang na to provide kanang right resolution, and then kanang real quick resolution para mas paspas. Kay what you're struggling, I think, as of this moment, kay mong HT, like you talked a lot, like you let them vent out, pero sobra-sobra pod, na wala kayo yung tingog. That's why your HT is really high. But I know that you can make it. Next time, kay kabalo ka mo handle ani, makuha ni mo nito ng score kay perfectly. And thank you. Next kay si Lance Lanoy. I love you, SA. Happy birthday. You've known what you've done for me, and I'm always grateful for that. Thank you for being a great kuya, mentor, supporter, and a friend. I'm always hoping that your heart is on a good place. Stay cool, be humble, and always thank God for the gift of life. Stay blessed, and I love you always, Lance. Thank you, Lance, and don't worry, your secret will always be a secret. Hindi ko pagsasabihin, syempre. And thank you for the messages, like as your mentor or support or your supervisor or friend. Yeah, I'll be as good as you think. Kay syempre kuan man kanang leaders man. I'm part of the leaders, I'm part of the management na magtabang jud og ahente kung unsa may kailangan i-suporta sa inyo, even outside PayPal, 'di ba? You've been contacting me, messaging me na like financial or like any other issues, personal problems, gina-share nimo, and I'm still here as your kuya or mentor or supervisor to kanang help you to listen no matter what. Kung di ka ko busy, mo reply jud ko, alam mo yan. Basta ikaw pod always kanang stay healthy, ha? Alam mo na. And thank you for the message. Next, daghan na pa di ani uy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There's 8 more. Next, from Mayet. Oy, this is our newly hired agent, newly endorsed. Pinakabago sa amo si Mayet. Dearest SA, happy birthday in advance, SA. Stay pretty. Thank you for having that patient with us, especially in me. I know how frank you are in your words, but that's what you are. You're just showing your genuine self. Thank you for sharing the knowledge with me in terms of everything that helps me dealing my work day by day. You are a big help to everybody here in our team. Thank you for the warm welcome in this team. May you find happiness in your life. Love Life SA. Wow. Kanang kakakayo ka, Mayet. Like, English jud. Thank you for, sharing me this message, and I'm gonna keep this for sure and apply na, happiness soon. Happy man ko piminti para sa inyo ha, kanang kamutanan. Every day, like, kamo ako motivation, like, kailangan ko bumata ka, magtrabaho ka na ako, like 18 ka agents na i-assist. So, kanang happy ko na naamo. In addition to that, kanang happy ko kay kabalo mo. And yun, thank you for this message, Mayet. And kaya mo, alam ko kaya mo lahat ng mga mga advices namin, suggestions namin, like step by step, baby alone dyan, babies lang. Baby talk lang ka na mo in the meantime kay kanang syempre bago pa man ka, pero day by day mo sure ko mo hawod ka ani. And you have a good score ha, like dagan kag promoters, so just keep it up. Next, I think this is from Mami Detzel. Hi SA, before I know you in person, they already injected in our mind that I'm so sorry, it was I think she's in a hurry, so wala siyang karugtong that they're already injected in our mind that what, na mabait ako or hindi ako mabait. Well, I'll ask this questions, or I'll ask Mami Detzel kung anong karugtong neto soon. Next is, I'm not sure kanina to galing, pero I'll just read this. Advance happy birthday SA, thankful ko na ikaw among SA. Miskan grabe na nako ka pabadlong. Naagi hapon ka diha mutudlo misking hinay-hinay kog adapt sa imong mag-handle ng calls. Maka-inspire ka mag-call. You know the rest. You know the rest. I love you. This is from Marco. Thank you, Marco. Marco, alam ko kaya mo yung problema mo sa dila mo. Iwasan mo kasi yung alam mo yon, marami ka nilalaplap Kayang-kaya mo yan. Mabilis ka naman mag-catch up Mabilis ka makakuha ng mga tinuturo sa ni TL at saka sa akin. So, sige lang. Someday, matutunan nyo din itong lahat ng mga techniques ng mga OGs or mga tenured. Paano mag-handle ng, call or mga irate customers. Basta, lagi ka lang pumasok, walang a-absent, tapos you will learn a lot of things when you come to work. Basta, dapat, attendance lang yung dapat lagi. Next. This is a team leader, one of the team leader that I know ever since, TLZ. Dear SA, I know you have a good heart and it makes me feel comfortable with you. I supposed to have phobia for bisexual, but you've changed my perspective. Continue on being a good person by helping others, and please lend me 10,000 as a person in need. Wow, TL. Sa ko ka mangutang. Mas dako pa magsweldo sa kuha mga TLs. So you don't need that. And well, I'm so glad that you've shared this, that you had a phobia for bisexuals, like homosexuals, or murag kuan ka, homophobic ka before. But then again, you've realized na dili day tanan. no, na nakaila ko nimo, nagbanding ta, like we've slept together, we've we've like we went outside or out of town together, mag picture ta na. Kung comfortable ka then that's good, kay wala man kailain ano kanang tumong is ano lang, banding lang, like know more about you, especially karon nga nag-TL na ka, unsa raman ta sa una, di ba? SA ko, ikaw agent ka, karon nag-TL na ka, so alam ko kaya mo yan i-handle ang bago mong task or being a leader. And again, thank you for you know, welcoming us, the LGBTQA+ in your life. Nawala na yung homophobic part. Kaya nagkan ba tayong leaders no na mas taas pa sa imo nga mga ingani pod bisexual, so kailangan ano, ready na ka. Well, thank you for the message, TL Jed. Next kay Kani, one of my competitor, so ever since kani nga team, ga compete jud mi ani kanang mag top 1 mi, top 2 sila, top 1 sila, top 1 sila, top 2 mi, ana lang kuan. Kini siya si kuan, si DJ or SA DJ. So let's hear what she wrote here. Actually SA, I'm quite intimidated sa imo before. Your reputation as an SME speaks a lot to me, but knowing you made me realize that you treat everyone as a friend. Nawala akong kakulba. Hahaha. It's really refreshing to see someone as friendly as you are. Happy birthday SA, sana magka-jowa ka na. Patutuya. Yawa, unsa man mo, ang yung mga messages sa ako no kay puro uyab-uyab. Napaganit tay kuan mga projects sa life, family, bahay, kotse, charot, bago mag love life. Anyway, intimidating. Yeah, yun yung sabi ng iba na pag nako sa office kay like kung maglakaw ko, I'm really strict. Ang uban dili kay moduol sa ko, so I tend to kanang go with them, like kanang ila-ilahon na lang sila kaysa naman ako maghulat ula-ilahon, lisod pod. And yun, makilala nila di ay ko na buutan, dili day ko nga nakasaplado. Kuan lang na siya, kanang appearance lang nako na pag nako sa work. Pero pag moduol mo, syempre kanang buutan ko. Every one of kanang my teammates know me. Ask them. Dili ko kanang kuan, dili ko kanang lisod duulan, kanang maistorya ra ko og na ay mga personal problem. Kung office pod pwede ra pod, kung sa gawas sa PayPal or sa office pwede ra pod. Anyway, let's move on. Thanks DJ, SA DJ. Muna siya akong ka-competitor permi. Next, I know this guy since day one up until now. Ohio, you've been very good SA. Hold on. You've been very good SA ever since day one. A lot had happened, but forget it. I am thankful that you become our SA. Hopefully you get the life you wanted. Enjoy the rest of the day na kauban pa mi nimo sa team. Happy birthday, take care always. Thank you no sa imo kay I mean you're the person that I've met na since day one pa lang nimo kay kanang kuan. Ganahan ako nimo. Kay kanang buutan ka, energetic ka, og tanan kanang positivity kay nasa imo ha. Like you're the coolest person that I've met na kanang walay kanang negative manggawas ba. Like puro lang ngisi, tisngi lang, maski na call, maski na problema kay you don't show it to us. Kanang very ano ka, poker face or somehow kanang hawod ka mo dala og problema. And ang issue lang na ako kay ako, I'm so weak when it comes to kanang ingana gani kay dali ra kay ko na ano man nahulog. Pero I'm trying to do my best man na to move out from this situation that we had. Kasi I know that wala jud patunguhan akong kabuang. You know what I mean? And kung asa man ka karon or unsa man imong kahimtang karon, kanang I hope na kanang mauna na siya, tama na kay daghan na kay ano, daghan na kayo og mga panghitabo na unta dili na mahitabo pa balik. Kanang let's start a new beginning, you and the people involved on the situation. Let's just forget and forgive. Yun na lang. Well, thank you for the message though. I know na nahirapan ka dito kasi ayaw mo magbigay ng message, then I let you go. But then again, hindi ko alam, nagbigay ka pala ng message dito. And thank you. And last two. This is from SA as well. SA Paul. Hold on. Paul nga. Paul, to where the wind blows, there you go, follow. It is my gratitude for having a role model and a figure. Happy birthday and wishing you the best in life. What's this? ZYLTF. Live your life to the fullest. I don't know this ZYLTF mo, SA. Pero thanks for the message. Kani siya nga SA no, kay kanang kuan is very uptick. Like niaging adlaw kay ngay agent lang ni siya karon kay SA na kanang paspas kaayo. Kuan siya kanang nadyo siya goals sa life to become one of the leaders. Kung kailangan kanang sayuhon dayon niya. Walang patumpik-tumpik pa. Basi gani pagbalik na ko gikan leave for 5 days kay TL na ka. Basta kung asa ka mas ganahan, apply lang ang mga position good kay kanang makatabang man pud ni sa sa imong career. I know na kuan ka, howd ka sa tao, pud like makipaghimamat. Magstorya kag agent, mag-observe ko kay kanang klaro imong message towards the agent. Mo na kanang dali lang sila ma-catch up. And I know if you will be one of the kanang TL, for sure you would be a good leader and a person can teach or can correct a somehow behavior that needs to be corrected kay kanang hawod ka. Saka lalo na maka-Diyos ka, lagi ka nagdadasal, lagi ka mga dasal-dasal sa Diyos. So laban lang yan siya. Thank you for the message SA Paul. Last two. Hi Kuya Marvin, happy birthday, wishing you all the best in life and happiness in the world. Aldrin. Thank you Aldrin. So couple ni sila naghatag diri sa message nako katong during kaon namo sa Sangyup. Thank you Aldrin for the message and enjoy pod imong kinabuhi being a manager in Bingo Plus. So thank you for inviting me to join the Bingo Plus. Sponsor ba ya mo atong Miss You gagabi, Miss Universe Philippines. And imong uyab says here, hi Tito Marvin, happy birthday. May God grant whatever your heart's desire. You deserve the best, Ram. Ram, thank you Ram for the message and yeah, hopefully lahat ng desires ko kay ma-achieve ko in certain of time kay gadali ko kay hapit ako mag 40 years old. So kailangan ako mag-start na og kanang save og finance and ipon kay kailangan ako magnegosyo or kailangan ako mag-separate sa ako ang parents kay ulaw na kaayo. And yun, para sa lahat ng mga nag-message dito, I'll post this on my YouTube account, Facebook or Instagram, and then i-add ko na lang yung ibang messages na piniem sa akin like video greetings, madami. I-add ko na lang doon. Thank you for being part of my 2023 experience. Now, since 2024 naman, moving forward to 2025 kay hopefully mas managhan pa ta ang mga magpe-friendship and mas daghan pa tag mga banding na makauban ta mo kaning mga tao na diri ka na nagsulat og katong nag-greet sa ko bawi ko pohon kung kamo naay kuan kay bawi ra ko. And again, thank you. I'm gonna save these messages and greetings on my accounts para may babasa-basahin ako every year. Like last year, enjoy din yon. Ito naman ngayon. Thank you. I'll apply all of the messages that you had, advices and suggestions. I'll try all the best that I can ma-apply siya for this year. Promotions and yun, love life. Hopefully meron. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.